Let me ask you this. Imagine if you could have a consistent, profitable robot developed for a private group of traders that makes over 30% a month trading in the Forex market with live, documented proof. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to change the way you think about trading.
Hello, I'm Mark Larsen, and you probably know me already by the hundreds of Forex reviews I've written and Forex videos I've produced over the last 16 years. I have several review sites and blogs, including Forex Tester and Forex System Reviews, plus I have a free Forex training course called Secrets.biz. In addition to that, I have a 100% independent trading service called ForexEALab.com. Plus, I have been a beta tester for nearly all major commercial and free Forex trading systems over the last 10 years. So trust me, I've seen it all.
Let me tell you this. The Forex market is the most lucrative market in the world, offering you never-ending opportunities. However, the ugly truth is, 96.5% of the people who start trading fail on the Forex. And you know what? It's not your fault if you are among this unlucky number. Yes, you heard right. It's not your fault. Those few who succeed know something that keeps ordinary Forex traders from achieving success in their trading, and these so-called guru traders will do whatever it takes to keep this information from you. The truth is, money does not come from nowhere. It simply transfers from people like us to people like them who know something we don't. Today, I'm about to share one of my most closely guarded trading secrets. I will only have it online for a short time and for good reason, as you're about to see, so make sure to watch it while you can. These so-called Forex gurus will tell you whatever you want to hear, brainwashing you with flashy sales letters offering instant profits overnight. They sell you black boxes, Forex robots with closed algorithms that keep you totally unaware of how it works. And when you can't influence your trading, you simply go with the flow. Imagine Forex as a mountain river. Many people jump in, drop some cash on deposit, and let some black box robot trade for them. The go baby go approach. They don't know and don't care what strategy is behind that. And when they finally realize that they are moving in the roaring water and Niagara Falls is 3 feet from them, it is too late. The account is already blown. Remember, most money is made on your ignorance. Today, you have a chance to change that. When you become aware of how things work, you are able to control your destiny. You know what? During the last 16 years, my fellow Forex trader friends have constantly been asking me a lot of questions. I've been literally flooded by your emails asking me to recommend a good Forex system that really works, how to avoid Forex scams and choose the right trading robot, how to stay profitable in the long run, what trading style is better, scalping, trend following, how to get rid of black box robots and develop your own system in 2 days with no programming skills whatsoever, how to choose the right broker and avoid the rip-offs with increased spreads, price spikes, and commissions, how to cherry-pick the best trading robots available on the market and build a successful portfolio that is right for your account size, which signal providers to choose and which you should avoid at all costs, how to choose the best VPS for Forex trading that will really put your trading in a secure environment instead of traditional restarts, slowdowns, and disconnections faulty VPS providers have, where and how to find great free trading robots, how to properly optimize your trading robot and avoid illusions of over-optimization, 9 crucial mistakes newbies do on Forex which lead their account to the blow-up and how you can avoid them. If you are among these people who are interested in these topics, I am sure I've got something really good for you today. So, here's the deal. 7 years ago, I came up with the idea of a great trading system that worked really well for me. The system is really bulletproof and can sustain any market condition. The only problem was, I did not have enough time to sit near my PC 24/5 waiting for the signals. So I decided to join forces with two young, talented programmers, Antony and Ronald, who developed a great robot for me based on this system.
I think this is a good decision. It will be great. And how does it work? Well, we can set the necessary lot size for the current deposit and use it for automatic calculations of the risks.
By the way, and money management cost.
Yes, exactly.
Like a GPS navigator in your car, the robot is trying to predict the short-term movement with a very high probability. That's why I decided to call it GPS Forex Robot. In 98% of cases, it is right. And in the 2% of cases when it is wrong, Antony and Ronald added a great reverse strategy inside, which instantly opens a trade in the opposite direction and covers the small loss. This simple trick makes the robot really undefeatable on both backtests and live trading. And the best part is, the robot does not involve any tricks like martingale, grid, or no stop-loss trading that can easily blow your account. I know in these days of Forex scam marketing, I realize that this might just sound like another flashy sales pitch filled with a lot of unsubstantiated claims and promises. Well, that's not the case. I've spent a lot of time, effort, and energy developing this system. I wanted to design and create a robot that anybody could easily implement and start using immediately, making money on Forex without having to lie, do dishonest things, and waste time. Below this video, you will see our live trading account and full backtest of the robot. Let's take a look at the recent performance of GPS Robot. Remember, there are no tricks and fake claims, only live, real-time proof. As you can see, the publishing works on a third-party monitoring service called Myfxbook, and all the accounts are fully verified. Myfxbook is an independent industry leader in Forex accounts verifications. We did not hurry to release the robot to the public and gathered over 5 years of live trading results. What other vendor can show you that kind of proof? That's right. No cherry-picked trades. No fake Photoshopped backtests. Only real-time proof. The number can speak better than thousands of words. Here is one of Antony's first live accounts. He started with just $4,750 US. As you can see, during the last year, his account grew and doubled multiple times into an astonishing $88,495. Not bad, huh? Well, Antony dreamed of the new car and did not stop there. His second account that he opened grew to over $376,801. Now we're talking. Meanwhile, his friend Ronald did not have much money to start, so his initial deposit was only $250 US. Obviously, GPS Robot does not require huge deposits to start trading. You can start with as little as $250. That small deposit grew 10 times into an astonishing $2,648. Yep, that is a 10 times increase of the deposit. Remember, you can find all these accounts below the video and verify the results yourself. And the best part? The robot comes fully pre-installed on your MyFX Choice brokerage, so there's no need to waste time downloading robot files, installing, or configuring settings. Once you open the trading account and run MetaTrader 4 platform, you will find the robot inside fully configured and ready to go. Full plug-and-play solution for you. I believe that any trader can be successful on Forex, and I get emails every day with success stories from guys in my beta tester group who are using this robot and started making profit in just a few days. Here's just one of them. Jeff writes, "Your system was an eye-opener for me, Mark. Your honesty is awesome as well. I bought quite a few useless ebooks, robots, and courses, and only lost my money. Your accurate reporting and great system is going to create monster buzz all over the net. Well, thank you, Jeff. I got hundreds of other positive comments. You can read them all on the page below. See, I've learned what works and what does not. It's time to transform your trading from confusion to clarity, and you will be amazed at how simple and fun the trading can be. If you are not getting the results you are after, stop and allow me to help you. I am fully committed to your success. That's why after 1 year of live tests with my private beta testing group, I decided to offer GPS Robot to a limited amount of traders who are looking for a powerful trading system that really works. This is not a stupid scarcity tactic like other scam marketers use. As you can see, there is a live back counter on this page. Once it reaches 0, the sales will be closed and the sold out message will appear. And that's it. I'm not going to sell it to the whole world and limit the effectiveness of the robot. If you want to jump in, do it now while the counter has not yet reached 0. Simply click on the orange Add to Cart button and secure your copy. By ordering today through this video, you are going to get instant access to this money-making GPS robot along with everything included and additional bonuses, such as free video tutorials, webinar recordings, and dedicated support for just $149. And that's 100% guaranteed. Simply click on the orange Add to Cart button below the video to get started and get instant access to the GPS trading robot. Remember, if you are not completely satisfied, you'll get a full refund. I'm serious. If for any reason GPS Robot did not help you achieve your goals, I will give you your money back with 0 headaches, hassles, or frustrations. What other trader can give you such a promise? Remember, I accept only a limited amount of members at a time, and once the counter reaches 0, the offer is gone. The GPS Robot has already proven itself to be really profitable to us and all our beta testers. Now you have a chance to become a part of our happy money-making family. And remember, with 60-day ClickBank money-back guarantee, you can see there is no risk at all. For only $149, you will get instant access to this amazing robot. You have a full 60 days to decide whether you are happy with the results, so you have more than enough time to see if the program works for you. Next, I want you to click on the orange Add to Cart button below this presentation because I know for a fact you are serious about making money on Forex and living the life you've always dreamed of. Simply click on the orange Add to Cart button below the video to get started and get instant access to the GPS trading robot. Still sitting here and waiting for something? Let me ask you, how will tomorrow be any different than today if you don't change your life and miss out on the opportunity to live the life you've always dreamed of? So hit the orange Add to Cart button below and get started today. I really want you to do that. I really want you to be part of our money-making group because I know GPS helped a lot of people already and it is going to help you. So why wait to get started when you could literally access this entire trading solution today and start using it right away? Remember, all the risk is on us. And if for any reason you are not getting the results you are striving to achieve, just get in touch with the support team by phone or email, and we will refund everything, no questions asked. Now it's your turn to make serious money on Forex. Hit the orange button below the video and get started today. I can't wait to see you inside our money-making family, and I can't wait to hear your success story. So go ahead, click the button below, and I will give you instant access to the most powerful trading robot right now. Thank you again for watching my presentation, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.